So now you would have branch 1 that is able to control large current up to 20 amp. Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce a small accessory for our popular membrane touch switch panel, the 20 amp large current expansion kit. Our membrane touch panel series is a set of ultra-thin waterproof IP67 membrane touch switch panel with remote control relay box that helps you to keep the dashboard nice and clean and leave all the wiring and circuit protections and control all inside the control box installed 1 meter away from the box. You can control all the devices via the membrane touch panel. There is also a Bluetooth app control version. Now you can use your cell phone to remotely control the devices. Watch our other video for more information for this series. Anyway, inside the control box there are 10 amp relay and PPTUC for each of the branch, so which will be pretty much enough for most applications. But what if you need 1 or 2 branches with larger current to drive heavier duty devices, such as these 150 watt LED light bars, which is more than 10 amp at DC 12 volt. This is when our 20 amp expansion kit comes in. This expansion kit consists of a 20 amp external relay with 20 amp inline ATP fuses pre-wired, so it is ready to be installed. There will be also an instruction manual included with detailed illustrations of how to install the kit. The way to install this expansion kit is very simple. First of all, you need to cut off the power and disconnect the positive and negative terminals of the control box. And then connect the expansion kit's positive and negative input together with the control box. For the negative terminal, there will be a female to male terminal here. So you can plug the original negative feed to the male terminal and plug in both of them together into the negative part terminal of the control box. Secondly, insert the sensing terminal of the expansion kit to whichever branch you want to control it with. So for example, I'm now inserting this one to the first terminal here. And finally, connect the load terminal to the heavy duty load you want to control up to 20 amp. And then fix this expansion kit somewhere near the control box. Do not fix it directly onto the control box because the screw here can punch through the housing of the control box and cause short circuit. So now you would have branch 1 that is able to control large current up to 20 amp. You can also use your cell phone to do that. You can even install more expansion kit for more branches just to make sure the positive and negative terminals can fit in the space here. So we would recommend connect up to 2 expansion kit here. For more than 2 expansion kit, you will need to connect the input positive and negative terminals somewhere else, such as a fuse plug or a bus bar. So that's it for today's introduction. Thank you for watching. Please leave messages if you have questions. Thank you and see you next time.